Look, I didn't spend 17 years in the field and a prior life as a nuclear power electrician to give you fluff. I'm the HVAC repair guy, and today we're putting two heavyweights in the ring. Arcoaire versus Coleman. We're looking at their top tier variable speed heat pumps to see which one actually earns its keep on your concrete pad. In this corner, we've got the Arcoaire Ion 23, and in the other, the Coleman HC20. Both are ultimate category units, meaning they are packed with the most advanced tech these brands offer. Let's talk protection first because a heat pump is only as good as the coil inside it. The Arcoaire Ion 23 uses a wire grill. In the field, that means your coil is more exposed to the elements. The Coleman HC20 uses slotted panels, which are a definite step up from a basic wire guard, but they still do not offer the Total Fortress level protection of true louvered steel panels. You are paying for high-end brains here, but the Coleman gives you a slightly tougher skin. Moving to efficiency and comfort, this is where the gap widens. The Arcoaire Ion 23 is a beast, pushing a 12.0 HSPF 2 in heating efficiency. The Coleman HC20 comes in at 9.0 HSPF 2. Both units use full variable speed compressor technology and variable speed condenser fans. These units can ramp up or down in tiny increments to match your home's needs exactly. But on paper and in the electric bill, Arcoaire is simply doing more with less energy. Now for the brand factor. Arcoaire is a subsidiary brand under the Carrier Global Corporation umbrella. It often uses the same internal components as flagship Carrier units, but without the flagship price tag. Coleman was historically a primary line for Johnson Controls, but that residential business was recently purchased by Bosch Home Comfort. In 2026, an Arcoaire Ion 23 condenser will run you about $4,800, with a full system install averaging $12,500. The Coleman HC20 condenser sits around $5,200, with full installs hitting $13,800. You are paying a premium for that name on the cabinet. Before we crown a winner, do yourself a favor. Wash your outdoor coils with a garden hose every spring, and change those indoor filters every month. I don't care how much you spend on the unit. If it can't breathe, it is going to die. Looking at the warranties, Arcoaire gives you 10 years on the unit, 10 on the compressor, and a massive 10-year no-hassle unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails in the first decade, they give you a whole new outdoor section. Coleman offers a 10-year parts warranty and a lifetime compressor warranty, but 0 years for full unit replacement. Both are made right here in the USA. The verdict is clear. The winner is Arcoaire. Why? Because you are getting significantly higher heating efficiency, 12.0 HSPF 2 versus 9.0, and a 10-year full unit replacement warranty that Coleman just does not match. Arcoaire is the subsidiary brand giving you flagship performance and a better safety net for less money. Shop like a pro using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.